Some of them were not lucky. These are the bodies of at least 36 migrants, including several children who drowned off the coast of Turkey after their boats capsized in rough waters as they tried to reach the Greek island of Lesbos. Brian Hansford is a spokesperson for the UN's refugee agency.
Desperate people resorting to desperate measures. Unfortunately, without a political solution, tragically, these numbers are likely to grow, and we must remember that over 1 million, the numbers are massive, but each one represents an individual tragedy.
There is a wide perception in parts of Europe and North America that the migrants are mostly men, which has fueled public concern about the crisis. But UNICEF's Christopher Tidy says 52% are women and children, and he says they are not coming because they want to.
They're saying they're coming because they have to. They feel that they have no other choice in order to make sure that they survive and to protect the lives of their children.
Tidy says the Balkan countries are doing their best to help children and their families on the move.
Particularly when they're crossing borders. Most of the countries, the key border crossings have sort of established reception centers where humanitarian services are available for people who need it.
Dimitris Avramopoulos, the EU Commissioner for Migration, Home Affairs and Citizenship, says it's important to safeguard the EU's principle of free movement within its boundaries, a principle some say is threatened by a sheer number of migrants.
This means that flows have to be slowed down. Only way forward, European solutions with all 28 member states in order to protect borders, respect rules, ensure relocation.
At the same time, the UNHCR continues to call for consistent measures to assure safety for the refugees through more resettlement and humanitarian admission programs and more flexible visa arrangements. The outgoing crisis is still very much alive. Bojadzievski, VOA News.